about 3 miles outside of Salida, on the way to the ghost town of Turret. I know nothing about this road. I might be overbiked, but I read that it's supposed to get a lot more hardcore. Pretty sweet scenery. It's like 65 degrees, bluebird sky. Pretty amazing for November. Nice little patch of shade. It's amazing how warm you get just non-stop climbing in the sun. I've gone about 5.5 miles and climbed about 1,500 feet, so pretty good on the big bike. Almost 9 miles in, on 184 now. Still kind of overbiked, but going down is going to be way more fun on this. Officially glad that I have the big bike. Turret. This actually isn't the summit because I had to descend to get down here, so I mean, you can't really dance to that. Alright, back at the summit at about 9,100 feet, so we can dance to this. It looks like an old closed down quarry. So I'm at just over 3,000 feet of climbing for 16 miles. It feels like even more, but I'm about to go down for like 8 miles. I love seeing those big mountains. Better to be overbiked than underbiked? I don't know, but that descent was definitely super fun on the fat tires.